Friends, greetings and welcome to Dow. You have seen and experienced from my colleagues what Dow is all about. Let me take this opportunity to reinforce that message. Dow is a growth and innovation driven global leader, one that has transformed itself and emerged stronger from the economic downturn in 08-09. In India, we have grown phenomenally over the last few years, and we continue to bring strong relations with our customers and other stakeholders. Our mission is to passionately innovate in areas that are essential to human progress by providing sustainable solutions to our customers. Our vision to be the most profitable and respected science-driven chemical company in the world, driving our ability to research, innovate, and provide the best products and solutions in India and around the world. The basis for everything we do is our values of integrity, respect for people, and the challenge of protecting our planet.
I was looking for a break about 14 years ago, and I was looking at various options in the chemical industry, and Dow was at the time, and I think still is, one of the most preferred multinationals within the chemical industry that young chemical engineers aspire to. So for me as well, fortunately there was a opportunity for me to, and I grasped it with both hands.
I just started my career in sales organization. Over the period, they put me into the role of a branch manager. About 10 years in the journey, as I was growing, they said, now you're also capable of handling overseas operations. And that was a game changer, step change for me.
Last 5.5 years, this is the fourth role I'm handling, and every role is different. It's a different function, though part of the big commercial, different locations, different people, different teams. So it's been really enriching.
It's a multinational company. It's having a global presence. Well, for me, probably looking forward to I want to be somewhere in the global leader role going forward. Where probably have roles or work in the whole of the globe, and that's what I'm aspiring for.
We have this very important process which is called the Employee Development Plan, which we call the EDP, where you can define some of your current what you want to do currently, or your next steps, immediate next steps, and then we have a long-term path that you can define. So obviously there are folks in the management that are looking at this plan. They know what your interests are, and then they help you define how you can reach that, what are the things that you need to work on, so what are the competencies you need to gain or further hone to be able to reach these goals.
Well, from my experience, I think this is a company where careers are made. This is not a company for a quick fix. This is not a short-term enriching experience, but it is something that offers you a long-term career potential. It has the breadth and the diversity of businesses, of functions, of opportunities.
It is truly a technology company, so if you are excited by technology, if you are excited by making products that touch everyday lives of people, if you are excited about doing good industrial research or just developing processes and products, this is the place for you. This is a truly nurturing environment that teaches, that learns from you, and that implements.
You have the opportunity to be a part of this global, customer-centric, growth and innovation-driven team that is making a difference and working towards a sustainable future. Adding the human element to the periodic table brings in a completely different aspect to chemistry and science, the human touch.
Every day there is a new challenge for me. Every day I add more values to my skill set. Every day when I go home back, there is a sense of achievement for me.
And it's friendly atmosphere, so I feel like I'm working in a family. The freedom of work which I get here, which increases my efficiency to the work assigned to me. And the third thing which excites me to come here is the good appreciation of the work.
I want to take the initiatives to learn more about other functions, other businesses, because each business has a different set of features and issues. So the more you understand, the more a wider area you can work with.
To say develop newer processes, develop improved products so that it meets our customer specifications, and innovate newer chemistries.
Capacity improvement, cycle time reduction, cost saving, you name them. These are the matrices which has shown a considerable change.
During 2008 second half, when the financial crisis actually started spreading across the world, for me personally it was a tremendous experience to learn from the kind of mistakes we did in offering credit to certain customers, and also to basically manage the entire risk.
These 10 years have been a path towards discovering Dow. I mean, every year has been something new, something very challenging. We've had fun.
Well, if somebody gets an opportunity to join Dow, I think first thing is they should just say yes. The sole reason being the kind of exposure that you get, kind of growth that you pattern that is there in the organization is, I think, tremendous, and I think there's a huge opportunity to work across cross-functional roles, to interact with people from different functions.
I would always recommend everyone Dow. It's because Dow is a science-driven company. It's having its diversified culture, keeping the individual dignity intact, and it gives the immense learning and growth opportunities.
Exciting, fascinating.
Dow is a human company.
N number of opportunities.
Company that invests in its people.
Very, very interesting.
Values innovation, at the same time has the highest respect for safety.
I can say Dow is a dream.
Life in Dow is wow.